start shit up.
Hey guys, I am Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus. I love Computers Plus. You know what? It is summertime. Okay, so today is Tuesday, the 23rd of May, and if you're like me, then school's almost finished. But for some, it's starting back up because there's summer school, there's college classes, and we have the great deal for you guys. We're doing a deal on our Apple computers. Buy one, get the second one half off. Just pay for the highest value one, and you get the second value one for half off. So if you find one for $500, find one for another for $400, you get that second one for $200. That's a great deal, right? Especially if you are looking to do an upgrade and maybe you had your Apple device for the past 10 years and you're like, okay, you know what, Terrence, it's time for me to upgrade, time for me to get something more up to date. Come by Computers Plus. We're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now, if you want more information on our different tech tips, which we dedicate Tuesday being tech tips, check us out on our blog at computersplususa.com. Click that tech tips and you will have all the information that we give to all of our subscribers every single day on how they can keep their self and their families safe. That's super important, especially in the internet and all this hacking and all this AI and all this spoofing and all these different things and all these different ways these hackers and scammers find ways to coerce you into giving them information to violate you, to take your credit, to take your name, and then they just destroy it. And I still don't know what these people, how they sleep at night, and just get a real job. I mean, there's a lot of people out there hiring. Unfortunately, a lot of these companies are from overseas, so please be careful. Check sometimes you just have to, have that gut feeling, and if something doesn't seem right, it probably isn't. And if somebody's contacted you, such as someone from Geek Squad or anywhere, and said, hey, we want to renew you on your membership, say, wait a second, I never got a membership with you. This sounds fishy. Hang up. Don't give them any information. Don't let them in your computer. The second you let them in your computer, they take over, and it's just you playing catch up. So as a word of advice, someone calls you asking to get into their computer, say, no, I will not let you get into my computer. I'll call my local IT professional and let them handle it. Now, there are a lot of great IT professionals out there in this country, beautiful country, America, beautiful country. So pick up the phone book, if they still have it, Google it, and find your IT professional that can help you solve your problems. And that's one thing that Computers Plus enjoys doing. We love working with people and trying to get them out of being technically challenged, like IT challenged. So people, some of our customers says, Terrence, I don't know anything about the computer. I just know how to turn it on, go on some websites, and that's fine. We like working with people that need that type of training because we want to get you fluent, get you abreast with keeping up with technology so you can always keep yourself and your family safe. Now, Apple, buy one, get one half off. Amongst that, we have some other great deals with Windows computers. Great deal, starting at as low as $99. We got desktops at $15. i5 Windows 10 Pro desktops. Yes, Kat, you give me that look. $15. For those, that's perfect for someone that needs a desktop that just pays bills, goes on a little Facebook, maybe looks at YouTube, maybe looks at Netflix on their computer, and just wants something that's basic and they don't need to break the wall. So yes, we have Lenovo desktops while supplies last for $15. Just come by Computers Plus and say, hey, where's that desktop for $15? We'll go right over here. We got a good handful of them. So they're ready to find homes. Maybe your home, maybe your grandma's home, maybe your uncle's home, maybe your cousin's home. They're going to find a home. It might be your home. So if you're looking for that second computer that you just need just for the kids, $15, you can't beat it. We got a monitor for $15, keyboard, mouse. You get the whole computer for like $50. It's almost insane. And you're able to surf the net, pay bills, do whatever you need to get done for as little as $50. How's that? Can I get a hand? Can I get a clap? Clap. High five. How about a high five? What did you think I was saying? Cat's writing me notes. $15, yes. $15. Lenovo i5, 500 gig hard drive, Windows 10. Yes, Kat, $15. Come in and say, hey, where's that desktop for $15? I saw Terrence. I saw his podcast. I want to see that desktop for $15. And we're going to go, Right over here. Right over there. Yes, $15. You're crazy, right? You okay? So I'm not. You know what? I'm not getting a very good, but you know, it's $15. Come by Computers Plus. We're open 6 days a week. We got 2 locations. One at 3330 Cobb Parkway in Acworth, Georgia, and the one at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. All convenient for you and your technical needs. Now, before I jump on this whole Apple thing, I want to remind everybody of our food drive. Our food drive is dedicated to the poor people that in Cobb County and Bartow County. So if you want to be a part of this, bring in some canned goods. You'll get a discount off of your pair or off of your purchase, or just drop by and just bring food, and we'll get it to Northwest Christian Church, other churches around North Star, other churches around there that need to help feed the people here in Cobb County. So I want to give a clap to people. I mean, they work. I'm not sure if you've ever been to Northwest Christian Church, but they have an amazing facility there, amazing for catered to people that need help. Food pantry, clothing. I mean, it's amazing. If you guys ever get a chance, drop off some clothes there. Just don't go to the Goodwill. The Goodwill is good, but they charge people. Where here at this church, they don't charge anything. It's perfect. You're giving it to the people that actually need it, rather than people that are just trying to look for a good deal. Now, I like Goodwill. I like a good deal. Hey, I've been to some Goodwills. Now, I like a good deal when I see it. But in this case, if it's clothing and if it's canned goods, give it to your local food pantry, your local church, and get it to the people and to the community that needs it most. My name is Terrence, your computer concierge. If you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment, share it with a friend, post it on a page, and say, hey, go look at Computers Plus. They're keeping you updated. They keep giving you information about how to keep yourself safe in this tech world. And you never know, you might just learn something new. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.